Good day, sir. So I am Jalen Bacalon. Today I will identify the parts and functions of the car. So first is the gear shift, or sa Bisaya, kambyada. The first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, then fifth, the reverse, so the handbrake, the purpose is to kuhan the wheel para dili mo dagan. The hazard, so ang purpose is to kuhan para ma-aware ani ba na kuhan if may kuhan ba emergency or kuhan stop ka sa kilid ng karsada. The switching light, so the high beam, then low beam, the passing light, then off, the left signal light at taas, then right signal light is paubos. This is turn, purpose is to ma-aware ang kuan other motorists or yaon mga pedestrian. The wiper switch, so di kuan if kaisa da ipakuan pa white, then focus is medium, lastly is the kuan paubos ba gayon faster gibalik. Sa clutch, so isabay ni sa kuan pag gear shift, then brake para ma-stop ang vehicle, the accelerator para mudagan.